partners.
Yep. Do all the pairs look like crap?
I can't believe 2020 is already a quarter done.
Really?
Isn't that crazy?
How's it going? Alright, I'm gonna try and do some analysis. How's it going, everyone? Good. I will get to questions in a minute. I still have to figure out what I want to do.
What's up, Paul?
Yeah.
How you doing today?
Oh, good, bro. How are you?
Not too bad. Not too bad. Just watching the news right now.
Yeah, I don't like anything I'm seeing so far. I was thinking of buying that support. We were just at 400, but 4 hours previous bearish. So thinking if we get some sort of bearish or rejection to close above here, taking a sell here or here. If we go up, I'm thinking a buy above here is the only thing I like. So other than that, I'm not really feeling it. As Chris would say, I'm not really fancying anything. But yeah, ideally something up here, or preferably up here. We get a nice clean move up, get resistance here, and then have some clean traffic to work with on the way down. But I just don't like that we're in here, so I don't want to try and sell it down here. I'd rather try to get a sell if we get something higher to at least come down to here, and then if we reject down here again and go up, we'll at least have a risk-free trade running. Yeah, not really. Because we closed below here, but we tapped into here as well. Excuse me. Mike, does your MT4 just look absolutely horrible?
Yeah, I'm looking at GBP CHF right now. If it breaks this zone, it's got like a clean 25, 30 pips coming down.
GBP CHF, huh?
Yeah, that's what I've been trading. That's what I took the first Magic Keys trade on, and it was like I mean, it was beautiful. It was the cleanest trade I think I've ever taken. It was 30 pips in 5 minutes, and it was just no drawdown. It was amazing.
Hmm.
But vice versa, I also lost on it yesterday. Well, oh no, that was this morning actually. No, I lost on it this morning. I think you've seen the trade I posted, but I put stops below the 30-minute once again, and it ended up going all the way down to the 1 hour, stopped me out, and then ended up going up 45 pips to my take profit. I was like, dude, you literally got to be kidding me. Like, I mean, it was, I don't know.
UJ looks good.
UJ for a sell?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what I've got on as well. I'm looking at UJ and GBP CHF just because GJ looks messy as hell. There's wicks everywhere. But yep, that's exactly what I've got marked up on GJ too. Or UJ, I mean.
Yeah, I'm waiting for sales below the support on the 30-minute on UJ.
Yeah.
Yep, 107.465 area. That's where I'm looking.
Yep. I'm even thinking about putting a sell stop down there, but I don't know yet.
Yeah, I was considering that as well because I mean it's super clean to the left.
Let me see if I have UJ in my pair collection.
I just like it because spreads on UJ are like 1 pip. Not even. Mine are even right now.
Where are you at, UJ? There we go. There we go.
That was a big 15-minute candle that we just had, so I think it could drive up a little bit, but that's been an area of kind of concern. But yeah, when you have a second, look at GBP CHF as well, Paul. That's super clean coming down, I think.
Yeah, well, I'm just trying to load up my... I made a new template, but I don't know where I put it. It's not in there. And this is not.
Oh yeah, hey, let me ask you a question too. So when you're using your magic keys and say you go into like a bit of DD and you want to enter another position closer to the bottom, do you just click your double trade, or would you open calc again and recalculate it?
I recalculate it. Because you're going to get a different... Because if you have a smaller stop, you're going to get a bigger lot size.
Yep, I was just gonna say that I think that's what I messed up on this morning because I did it and it placed the same trade that I placed up top, and I was like, damn, I thought it would recalculate, but it's understandable. It's a double trade, so it just doubles it. Yo, have you guys seen those like Samsung monitors, those like curved monitors?
Yeah.
I want to get one of those so bad. Like as soon as I get my new office and like set it up, I'm gonna get one of those.
Yeah, that's what I want to... Those look nice.
Bro, they're badass, dude. I seen a guy on Instagram that got one today, and it's just like, wow, that thing is clean.
What size you looking at getting?
Not entirely sure. It depends on. I might be moving possibly soon, so I'm gonna set up a nice little office. So it depends on what desk I get and stuff like that.
What is do you know what that runs cost wise? I haven't even looked at them.
They're pretty pricey. They're anywhere from I would say 1,200 to 1,600 depending on what you get.
Okay.
They're a little bit pricey, but I think they're worth it. Yeah, I think if GBP CHF breaks is here, I'm gonna get in on this one. Spreads are at 5.
Are you looking at the 15 or the 30?
I've got the 15 pulled up, but either way, I would be entering once it breaks like the bottom low.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we've got about 25, 30 pips that are like really clean, coming down to some wicks. And that'll be the break of the 4 hour as well. Although it looks like 4 hour actually already broke on my MT4. It just broke. Once again, trading view is off.
Mm-hmm.
But 4 hours already got a big top wick, which is nice.
Already in buys on UJ. Nice job.
Yeah, I had my like down there on the bottom at the support on UJ, dude. I had my finger on the trigger. If it was gonna break that the low of the support, I was gonna sell it. I could have taken a buy there too. Would have worked out fine, but previous flow was bearish. So
I think sells are gonna be better than that. What the fuck?
yeah, if we break that support, I feel like at
Hold
least 50
on.
pips.
Jesus Christ. Fucking ridiculous. Alright, continue. Jesus.
No, I'm just saying. I think sells below the support are gonna be the move for tonight if we get it.
Yeah, I think it's gonna happen. I think this will be where we get resistance to come down. If we come down. Because on the 4-hour highs right here. So,
Yeah.
if we look at the hourly, that's the last resistance right before there. So either this is gonna hold us down, or something in here is gonna hold us down. Yo, what a bear.
The only thing I'm worried about as far as sells go is it's like a daily support in there. So
In here?
yeah, it looks a little bit different on mine, but
Oh, yeah, I mean, I think we should come fill this wick. We'll see though. It could go up.
yeah, your daily on trading view looks so much different than mine. Wow.
You probably don't have FXCM.
They'll probably have what?
You probably have something different than FXCM. Yep, I saw that. What up, Java? Think GJ will rise? Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay away from GJ tonight. I have to take a trade because of the FTMO, so I'm gonna give myself the best chance. And GJ does not seem to be the pair for that. Just because if we get below this support, these wicks could be an issue. We don't know. This lower support right here could be an issue, but that's still within these wicks. And we go left, we got all this liquidity area that we hit yesterday. So this was New York. We tapped into here, and we had a huge drive up. Tapped into here yesterday, and it drove up, but price didn't really go anywhere. But this is a really, really shitty area to try and trade. I think if you're going to take a trade, your best one is below this support, but then there's still this liquidity area. So I just really don't like it. Because then we're kind of selling the bottom into this really strong buyer area, you could say, and that you don't want to get stuck in that. So I think UJ is going to have a better opportunity tonight. But if GJ goes up and gets above here, like 133,660, I think you got a clean move up to 900. But for what I trade, there's no buy. Still, we're above here for me. So I couldn't even take this trade. So no point in me looking at it. But if I wasn't doing the challenge, I would probably just stay on GJ and just not trade anything tonight. But since I have to take a trade,
Are you doing the challenge?
I can't hear anything your robot mic is saying.
You doing a challenge?
Yeah.
I did some back testing last night on UJ, and it's so much easier to trade during Asian than GJ.
Can you say that again? I only heard the last part.
Oh, sorry. I did some back testing last night on UJ for Asian, and it moves so much easier. Like, you can have such smaller stop losses, and like you can like get a 2-to-1 risk reward near enough every day.
I guess we'll see.
Yeah, I mean, like when I was looking at like this morning, I would have seen a long setup here off the 30-minute. You would have had 10 pip stop loss, and you would have been able to get 20 pips easy.
You can't beat that.
Yeah. So yeah, I've emailed FTMO now to see if I can get UJ added onto my contract.
Yeah, UJ came up in what I have. I don't know if it's different than what you have.
No, so when you once you've done everything, you sign a contract with all the pairs that you want to trade.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I think you can get it amended. So I've just sent them an email, just saying, can I get USD CAD and UJ put on there, just for when times are a bit shit with pound pairs, because the spreads are too high to trade any other pound pair. So it's just like I can only really trade and GJ, which I don't mind. But my bread and butter is gold, and now gold's untradeable. So it's just what to do. Well, iPhone's here. Good old Blake. Can't wait to see what this NFP does to the markets.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, I'm just gonna watch it with like popcorn and be like, oh my god, what kind of biblical thing is happening right here?
Oh, was that an hourly close? I think it was.
Probably gonna shoot down 100 pips. And then
And the rest.
100, stop everybody out.
Yeah. I'm not gonna trade any dollar pairs until that news is done.
I just want to see if Ted's gonna drop anything crazy on it.
Nah, he wouldn't dare. Afterwards, yeah, but not before or during.
Well, it's kind of an ugly hourly close.
See, the setup I saw on UJ, I saw it this morning. I would have hit my TP and everything, and I'd be done for the day. 2%. Thank you very much.
So you don't have to trade every day during the challenge, Ash?
No, so once you've acquired the 10% that they ask for, you can then use 0.01 lots just until you get to the 10 days. Once you achieve the 10 days, which is the minimum, after maybe a day or so, they'll send you a verification account. Then you do the same on the verification, but obviously you get 5%. Then once you've done that, they'll say congratulations, and you'll receive a contract within like a week. And then as soon as you sign the contract, it's typically set up. They say it takes 5 days to set up, but mine got set up in 2.
Gotcha.
So literally, you can have it all done within less than a month. Yeah, you can do the Bitcoin over the weekend as well. That's what I did as well. Someone just put in the Zoom chat. On the weekends, I just did like random trades on the weekend on Bitcoin, just to get the days in sooner.
What the fuck?
Cool. Paul,
Yep.
did you hear that?
Yeah, someone's getting yelled at by their wife or something.
No. Like you can do trades on the weekend on Bitcoin
Yeah,
to get those extra 2 days in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm only at
3%
3% on my 3rd day, so
Yeah.
I probably won't finish it till next week.
Yeah. No, what I'm saying over the weekend, just put 0.01 lots on for the on Bitcoin for like 10 minutes or whatever. Doesn't matter whether you win or lose. It's only like a penny. So then you get those extra days in, unless you're comfortable just like trading Monday to Friday and you don't want to lose any more days, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, if I finish it by Friday, then I'll probably just get those 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, and then trade my account Monday till they give me the live account.
Yeah.
Yep, same Frankie. You're down to 9.2. I think you can only lose. Oh no, yeah, you have 200. You can lose 1,000. Yeah, I'm at 10,300, I think.
But what exactly is the challenge?
So you just need to make 10% in a month. Well, minimum 10 days. You can't go any lower than 5% in one day. And you can't lose any more than 10% initial capital. And in the verification phase, it's 60 days. You have to make 5%, and you can't lose any more than 5% in a day and 10% of initial capital. So it's not. I wouldn't say it's easy because like 90% of people fail it. But if you know what you're doing, you just manage your risk effectively. Like it's very easy.
So you have to grow 10% in a month?
Well, in 10 days minimum.
Oh, in 10 days. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
No, you have 30 days to do it, but you have to do it within the minimum trading time, 10 days. The trading gold, you can do that quite easy. Like, it moves so violently. At the moment, it's just untouchable.
Taking UJ, but if you want to take buys, yeah, go ahead. I'm not taking buys. I'm
I
waiting.
definitely won't be buying UJ.
I'm waiting for some sells. It'd have been so much better if it pushed up to here and formed this, because now it's got to kind of close
Yeah.
back below here or break below here to show that it's gonna kind of flip and push down this hourly, but we're scouting for a retest. Which zone, Buggy? You guys send a chart. I don't know what zone you have or what zone we got 3 zones on here. And are you talking about a retest up here to take it down, a retest here to take it up, a retest here to take it back up? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. So if you send a chart with your question like labeled, it'll be a lot easier to answer that correctly. You'll probably get a little less sass as well.
Yeah. Sassing that ass.
Yeah, I feel like I've been more sassy than normal, but just gets a little frustrating answering the same question 300 times a day.
Maybe
But-
across the screen, you know, like how Raja has like a thing written out. Just put if you want an opinion on a chart, on a pair, send a chart and I'll talk about it.
Yep, Doug's got the right attitude. He's just here to hang out, so his trading is less boring. He does his own
100%.
thing. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine. Just coming to hang out, coming to learn. And I wouldn't recommend just showing up to copy, because if me or Rakeel or Monty decide to stop streaming, you don't really have any way to make money trading now if you're just copying.
Yeah. Plus, it's when you know, for example, you see a setup and then, like, for example, you see the same setup, it kind of gives you more confidence and you feel like you're gaining a new skill. And that's how I felt when I first started, like, really getting involved and watching these streams. Like, it really kind of confirmed, like, what I was seeing was right,
I feel you.
Made me focus on being more patient too.
Yeah, if it teaches anything in Asian sessions, to be patient.
Oh, yeah.
Especially yesterday.
Yeah, man. Like, I caught those GU buys and then I saw that setup and I was like, sell. And then within 2 minutes, I was like, oh my god, it's hurtling down. It's flying.
Is that Post Malone? No, I don't know any of this. I use this website. It's called Pretzel, and it plays copyright-free music. We're listening to Miracle Day by ATTXLA, and it's by Lemmy Rat. So yeah. Oh great, Monty's in here. Great.
What's he got to say for what? Is he in the YouTube?
Yeah, he's not in the private groups. I'll send him the Zoom real quick.
Is he trolling?
No, he's normally pretty polite. Sometimes. I went in and taught his stream about the swoop-de-swoop strategy. So they're definitely banking on that pretty hard. Were you not here yesterday to learn about that?
The swoop-de-swoop. I think I was too busy, I don't know, watching puppies or something. I spent a lot of time watching YouTube and puppies and stuff.
So right now we're in like the peak of a swoop-de-swoop. So we're right here, which is peak swoop-de, and then we're gonna drop down. So I taught his stream about that. They were pretty excited. I think if this closes bearish like this, I'm gonna take take the next low on the 15. Whoop-de scoop. It's swoop-de swoop, not whoop-de scoop. What up, Matt? Good luck, Nikita. Make sure you're not feeling sensitive. They get pretty aggressive in there.
Yeah, looking at GJ now. If this next 15 forms a bearish candle, I might be looking to short it.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you do you, boo.
I will
the
do. Thanks, boo.
swoop-de- Boo!
I just want some Savannah
Be
motivation.
quiet.
Oh, Savannah.
I don't know, Chris. I slept from 1 a.m. until 1 p.m. today.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I got up for like New York session and looked at my phone and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stay in bed.
Yeah, New York was a good session yesterday.
Oh no, I meant this morning.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
This morning was crap.
For us, yes. This morning it was yesterday for you guys. Because we live in the future.
The drunk stumbler. No, I have not told them about that pattern. I will, next time I get on London stream, I will enlighten them.
That same garage door sound was yesterday. It sounds like someone's opening a store or something.
What's up?
Sorry.
Yeah. Ash has a lot of noise. He's always making noise.
Just like a baby. I just want attention.
No comment. So yeah, this closes like this. The up move could be just a fake out like here and like here. We got. I'm going to the bathroom real quick. Show you. Yeah, we still got to work on getting those sounds off. But maybe Monty will know how to do it. Nope, get up. Out. Nope, out. Get out. Nope, that's not. No. No. Can you turn it down a little bit? I can't close doors, otherwise doors is fucking pounding on it. Yeah, the cat. Lauren in the living room had the TV really loud, so I couldn't close the. And I wanted to close the door, so I couldn't hear it. But if I close the door, then the cat bangs on the door and yells at me. So.
You're always kicking the cat out.
Well, if he would just be quiet.
Hey, no one's complaining. Let him meow all you want.
I got a new chair and it was good, and now it's squeaking again. Come on, GJ, break that support down there. So that's kind of where I'm going to target my runner, hopefully, depending on how we react here. But I got my first take profit right in this area, and then the runner will be down here. What is that? 117. Ooh, let's go. Because 4 hours still doesn't have a bottom wick. So I think it should make one. You go, Hayden. Make sure you don't overtrade, though, bro. Excuse me. Sorry. Use the cat as a dumbbell. He is pretty heavy. If you guys seen the videos, he's not a small kitten.
Yeah, UJ's way better spreads as well for this time. Like, way better. Like, I was, like I said, I was doing some back testing last night, and geez Louise, like, I could have been cleaning up just off like 10, 20 pips. Just because like the stop losses would have been so much tighter.
Alright, I secured half. Oh, I pulled back as I did it. Dang it. Nope, I secured half. So yeah, I secured $22 and $23. Alright, I'm at break even now as well.
I was a little more conservative. I had my take profit at 524, but I sent the chart on Discord.
Alright, I closed half again. So now I got 25% running. Let me see. So now I made what is that? About 75 so far, with another 30 running at break even. So I'm pretty much secured almost 1% of the account so far, and got little under 0.5% running. And then if it comes down to the target, I'm thinking this runner target's where I'm thinking that's where, because the daily looks like it's gonna fill that down to here, that daily wick. So if we look at the daily looks like it could come down to here. Obviously that's a really long target.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking just down into this support, maybe even somewhere up in here, like maybe right here would be
one
a
of those
good.
that has like one pump and then slowly trickles throughout the rest of the day.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this was just basically creating the top wick for the 4 hour. That's all this was doing. So if we can get below here, I think we're going to see some more volume come in and really set us up nice for Asian session. Beautiful. That was nice. Asian was lovely today. Sweet.
Yeah. I'm just hoping I can get UJ added to my thing. How long will it take?
Hey Ash, did you get those GJ cells there or no?
The thing is, UJ looked good for the setup, but GJ didn't. I was waiting for a bearish close on the 15. Instead it just formed a weak bullish candle on the 15 and then decided to say, see ya.
Yeah, that's what I was just looking at. It just dropped down.
Yeah, so I would, like, if it formed a bearish one, I would definitely have been in that trade. But unfortunately, no. But it's alright. Still plenty of the day left.
Yep, those are you guys that secured profit. You got runners going. That is perfect. Look at this thing go. Beautiful. Yep, I got my take profit. It's going to be different on here than MT4, but my MT4 take profit is 107.311 and 107.312. So it's about another 18 pips from where we are now. So,
Yeah.
but I secured my what I wanted to secure, so this is all just extra.
I hope it just breaks through the support right here.
This has been a massive 15-minute candle.
I just don't want the next 30 minutes to wake up first and hit me break even.
Well, if you got in right here and we get below here, I don't think we're coming back up to here, to be fair.
Not even to create like wasn't say a lower high.
No, if anything, it will just come back and like once it breaks through here, which it's pretty much just done now. It'll if it does come back up, it will just retest this area.
Yeah, I think it looks like yen's looking pretty strong right now, so I'm thinking it could be this could be good runners. We got a really good entry, like mine is right. This is exactly where my entry is on MT4 as well, so pretty good. Ooh.
Is it broken through properly?
It's broken through everything on my MT4.
Yeah, same for me.
Ooh, there's another 0.5%. Beautiful. Come on, keep going.
I was looking at sells for USD Swiss franc also, but since this UG trade worked out really well, I don't think I'm gonna take the risk now.
No need.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
The high you get off of winning a trade, it's crazy.
This thing looks like it's got a ton of freaking momentum. I actually moved one take profit down to here, just in case it just dumps for some reason out of nowhere. But I'm planning on closing everything. If it just inches up to this take profit, I'll close everything, but just in case it just dumps real quick, I have one a little lower as well. So I have it at 107.233 and then 107.312. Just in case, like we've seen GJ just randomly just boop 50 pips out of nowhere. If it does that, and we get lucky, then I get a few extra pips. If not, then take profit is 233. But this is looking like it's going to keep going for that daily fill, to be honest. It's looking a lot better now. Looking like it's going to target down here.
That was such a clean trade.
Yeah, it worked out nice. I'm glad my idea and thought process played out. It's always a good feeling. But yeah, it broke below everything. That was such a big 15-minute candle. Holy cow. How did I know it was going to work out? I didn't. It told me what I wanted to see. So I trusted that it would tell me what I want to see after that, pretty much. To be honest with you, though, I did not expect the 15. The move we got, I was not. I was planning on it looking more like this. I was planning on this one wicking up really high. Oh shit, it's gonna hit stop and then pulling back and then another wick and then we slowly inch down. I was not expecting this, so um, got a nice one. So that's it. I didn't think we'd break through that support like we did, but we do have to hold below as well. Why take that trade? I don't know. I mean, it's the same thing I do every day, so I thought it made sense, so I took it. And I don't know what you, if that's what you mean, or if you want like analysis, because I'll do that towards the end.
That was a good trade. Paul, my new account lost Pop It's Cherry today.
Nice.
Made 1%, so that's not too bad.
Here you go. That's all you can ask for.
Yeah. And apparently, Yuja is the only pair that has decent spread on it. Otherwise, for some reason, I don't use these brokers before. Normally, only started yesterday.
Which broker?
It's XTB.
Gotcha. Mike, you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Did you take UJ?
Of course not.
What'd you take?
Dude, I had it marked up and I'm sitting here and I've been waiting for GC to break it. I've literally had my finger on this thing for probably like 35, 40 minutes. Because if GC breaks, it's gonna drop.
GC doesn't it doesn't have anything in session right now, I don't think.
No, but I've been trading it every Asian session and it's worked out pretty well.
All right. If you start losing, that's gonna be the first thing I say, though.
Yeah, I mean,
I wouldn't recommend it, but if you're winning and you keep winning, do you?
what's the difference with it not being in session? Because I feel like it moves the same whether it's in session or not. Because I've been trading in New York too.
There's no volume in it. There's nobody pushing it. No money being pushed into it to give it direction. Doesn't mean it doesn't move, but it's not going to have the moves it does. Like the same size moves.
Is JPY in session?
Yep. Yeah, so the pound's not in session. CHF might be. I don't know what session that's in, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I've never traded it, so.
Yeah, I mean,
it'll be in London because it's a European country.
Makes sense.
It pretty much moves the exact same as GJ. Like, if not, it's pretty identical, to be honest.
The moves on USD CHF are quite big moves normally.
What?
I think you said that USD CHF has vital moves. But yeah, I had UJ marked up. The only reason I didn't take UJ was because the same reason I took it the other day. If you look at the hourly, I thought that it was just going to come down and make the hourly wick, like I've gotten wicked out on my last 3 trades. Because you guys got in technically like when it was not even halfway down on that hourly candle.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought it was just going to come down and then bounce back up and then I thought it was going to come up a little bit more before it fell, to be honest.
I didn't think it was going to move as nice as it did, but I didn't think it was coming back up.
I don't think I was gonna say for the you're saying it would come back up for the hourly. The previous 250 minute didn't have a top wick also though. So doesn't that kind of for me that shows like there's me lack of momentum upwards.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I guess I didn't catch that. I had, like I said, I had it all marked up and everything, and I was gonna take profit at like the bottom, which was like 16, 17 pips.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. I've been too wishy-washy back and forth between like 2 or 3 pairs where I've missed the move on all 3. So I just figured I would stick to GBP CHF, and I thought I was going to give a trade, but it didn't. So
Well, the session hasn't even started yet.
yeah, that's
And
what I'm saying. That's why I'm not worried. I just didn't take that trade.
you see my chart right now, right?
Yep.
Watch it. Oh, just let me know if this makes sense now. See how we close back below?
Yeah, I
So
had
this
that
is a
marked up
fake out
too.
of.
Based on the hourly, like I said, my last two trades have gotten wicked because I took the 15 and the 30,
Mhm.
and I don't know. I guess I just wasn't comfortable with it.
That's good. You didn't take it. That's a win.
Yeah. Yep.
There's going to be an opportunity down here to either take it back up or take it down, preferably down, because I'm in a sell.
Yeah.
But there's going to be something here to where you're going to get a good opportunity.
Yeah, that's kind of what I figured too, because I've got my bottom resistance kind of where you do. There's a lot of wicks down there, like where we were talking a little bit ago, 107, 245 area.
UJ?
Yep. 107, 245 for like a TP down below. Where you said your
Oh,
possible
yeah.
target is. Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were saying there's wicks here. I was like, we're below
No,
everything,
no,
I think.
So yeah, if we come up a little bit and then break a 15, reasonably I would like this to kind of like close here, another 15 kind of close, and then the next one I'll take and it'll just crush it for all of us.
Yeah.
Which could happen because we kind of broke. Now it's kind of retesting that support area.
650 news, so hopefully that will continue the move down. Or do nothing would be good too.
Oh yeah, now that was a question too. For like since I'm trading on my computer now and I've got, trading view up on my computer, or I've got trading view too, but my MetaTrader on my computer, are you able to have two screens going?
Say that again?
So my MetaTrader, I've got it like the LMFX, I've got that on my computer now. Are you able to have two screens or just one for like two charts or just one chart?
On MetaTrader, you can have more than one chart.
Okay.
Yep, this looks good. You can take buys right there. Not a fan of your take profit, but this is a 15-minute time frame, so higher time frame could still could look better than the 15-minute, which would then mean more than the 15-minute does. But I feel like the target would be a better buy is either going to be if we form support and start closing back above here, but then there's still a lot of bearish momentum, so I wouldn't take that, but I think a better buy would be either here or above here, because then you're clean up into this area right here, because these are just clean candles coming up, and this zone here is from something I can't even see, so this zone right here is going to be more important in my opinion than what's all the way over here to the left, because this is what's happened right here is we've come down. So if we get above this last resistance, it should make sense that we should come up and then come into is there like an arrow I can, yeah, here we go, should come into this area here. But I agree, a buy above here makes sense. I just would be concerned about this and this. So like I said, above here I think you're better, because then you have this resistance or support and this one to hold price up and take you to there. But my opinion, so do with it as you please. Ooh, looking like we're maybe gonna come down a little bit.
On the 5 minute for UJ, it looks like you just created a lower high right there. Two bullish candles and then one massive bearish candle forming right now.
Yeah, and in a bearish close or a really weak bullish close, I'm game.
Yo, Paul, what's good?
Yo, what up, Bobby?
Yo, how you been?
Pretty good, man. How are you?
It's been a while. I've been just studying.
Studying?
Yeah, studying all this. um, fundamental issues and just staying quiet. You know, being disciplined.
Yeah, it's pretty messy with everything that's going on.
Yeah, very messy, freaking messy. I got no work until like April 25th or some shit. Man,
I just got laid off
Damn.
without pay because they were paying us before. Then they're like, now they're like, screw you guys.
Damn, that's not cool.
Well, like things happen. You gotta keep going.
Yeah. I'm going to the bathroom again real quick.
I'm on the EU buy. I think that's the reason the EJ when it went down. I think that's the reason EU on a US dollars weak and euro just went up. Yo, my GJ buy is so good. It was awesome. Nice entry.
If this trade goes to my target, I'll be happy to challenge. All I made the total was 500. And 500 more to go.
I didn't push up point 0.5, so I'm gonna just close it right now.
Well, that's ugly. Am I going to enter on the retest? Nope, I'm not going to re-enter. We just had a really good trade. It wouldn't make any sense for me to try and risk again when I'm already in it from a really good spot. Not a fan of that 15-minute close, though. But we could still close below on the 30.
This could just be because of like the Asian Open, I think, and then maybe it'll come back down.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't run all the way up that entire candle.
Yeah, because I've noticed that even pairs that aren't in session, everything runs right when an open, basically 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after. I feel like is the most volatile on every single pair.
Yeah. As long as we close back below, I think we'll be okay.
Yeah, so I'm thinking possibly for me, this could be a good entry if it breaks this, if we kind of close like this and then we break this 15.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on how far, obviously, this thing runs up. But yeah, any idea how to get two charts on the LMFX? Because I can only get one up anytime I drag another one over. Maybe if I right click and hit chart window. No, that doesn't work either. Dang.
Why do you need more than one chart up?
I just wanted to see if it would work, but because I used to do it with like 4 charts when you could have 4 charts on.
My MT4 has done that before.
Go to that top left corner.
Go to window.
Draw.
Okay.
Window tile. Does that work?
Oh, perfect. Appreciate you, man.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah, this hourly can close below here. That'll be perfect. Quick look at GJ. Yeah. Yeah, we took UJ today, Shlee. It was better than what I was seeing on GJ. Did GJ end up coming down? Yeah, it came down too. So yeah, this could just be like Mike was saying, pull back for open. As long as this 15-minute can close back below here, that'll be 30-minute closing below as well. And then hopefully continue on down. Hopefully it's not a ranging session again.
And then another question for the Wizards out here. I placed 2 horizontal lines on my chart, and I can't seem to delete them. It just it doesn't work.
You gotta double click it.
I can't get it for some reason. Even when I double click, it just moves my chart left or right.
Then you miss the line. The line on the right side, you'll see a little circle pop up, like kind of showing that you click the line. Then you can drag it.
Perfect. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you gotta be real precise with it. It's kind of funky.
Yeah, you can't click delete too. You gotta right click and then delete.
Oh, I clicked delete on mine, but both works. Whatever.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's a little bit different to use than TradingView.
Yeah, it doesn't look as nice in my opinion.
Yeah, no, TradingView is super nice, but you got to go off this because everything is, it's a lot easier to go off this. I would say it's a lot safer.
Yeah, more consistent.
Yep.
Mhm.
Well, isn't TradingView still a relatively new company? So over time, as when they get more and more brokers on board, they'll have more data feeds and whatnot. So.
What would be really smart for them is to kind of contact all the main brokers and use their actual, charts.
Yeah, probably cost them too much money.
Yeah, but I mean, they could, if they were smart about it, they could run advertisements on there. They could do a lot of stuff that could really blow up the company.
Yeah, but how much do you hate ads? I hate them immensely.
Yeah, I mean, so do I. But I mean, even every once in a while, I get an ad on TradingView because I don't have the premium one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the premium one next week, or next month. Sorry.
What else does the premium give you other than it just doesn't have that ad that pops up every time?
For me, it's more for alerts.
Oh yeah.
So I can set out zones. If it taps an area, it'll let me know. And I've got a smartwatch as well, so I can literally have my phone, whilst I'm chilling in the pool, having a couple of cocktails or whatever. My watch will go off and be like, oh, time to check the chart.
Isn't that the life?
The life I chose.
I was gonna say, if you don't want the ads, download the ad blocker on your computer, or just the extension for Google Chrome.
It's like $9 for TradingView, I think. My spread has been between 1 and 1.5 on UJ.
Ain't nobody paying $9 for TradingView.
What?
So I'm never paying $9 for TradingView. As long as it's free, I'm gonna keep using it.
I paid for it.
Not for me. I'm also a student and broke.
Yeah, I think you can get it for a year for like $150.
Yeah, I mean, whatever, $9 or $14 a month. I mean, that's fine by me.
I'm living the broke student life right now.
Oh, I've been there. Enjoy it. It's fun. Live it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get some more likes in here. Oh damn, we're back almost up to regular numbers. That's pretty cool. Hopefully people realize that we're still live streaming. YouTube's just being difficult.
What happened with that?
I don't know. No idea. I haven't done anything. I haven't changed anything or nothing. Yeah, this hourly, if that hourly closes below there, I think that's going to be really good. Yeah, Mac, I sent you the Zoom information on Instagram. If you didn't see it.
Yo, Ash,
Yo.
I just sent you something on Instagram. It reminded me of you when you're talking about the alerts.
Yeah, definitely.
See if I can find a better song.
No Savannah.
Nope, that was the first song that came on. You missed it.
Oh, god damn it.
But we got Spotlight. $84 likes. There we go. Looking better.
Took UJ cells.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, running at break even already. I already secured 1% on the initial drop. So hoping we're not gonna continue down. I think we could get down to this previous daily low.
Hey everyone, sorry about that call. How's everyone doing today? Please give it a like.
What up, Mac? Yeah, I'm thinking this.
Hey, how's everyone doing this fine afternoon?
I think this daily's gonna come try and get this wick down here.
Can we get 20 more likes for Paul, please? There's 196 people watching. Please give it a like. Thank you. That was a good call. I liked it. As soon as I jumped in, I saw it, and I forgot I'm going to. Miss those as well.
Oh, you caught the cells too, Mac?
No, I didn't want to. You called it. A minute for that wick.
Oh yeah.
107 or 120. I mean, also on GJ, buys early, but I got stepped out. So.
Yeah, I didn't like GJ. I just looked.
When I wait for also this this 30-minute close, see how it pops up. If we get another wake up for UJ, I'll probably take another entry. Man, it depends, but yeah, it's definitely bearish. So strong support at I don't want to shut up, Lex. 107 450. Yes, 104 likes, and whoever disliked it. Here you can go. I was trying to use Fibs today for the first time. I think it was so bad.
How'd that go?
Never again. It's so complicated. I'm too stupid for that.
You got a lot of background noise, bro.
No, one second. Because I had my bank on hold for the last 7 hours. Good.
Yeah, you good. You good. Is business still going good for you, or did it slow down?
Fucking slow as shit, man.
Damn.
super slow. I canceled everything.
That sucks.
Mhm.
Could have gone either way. Could have picked up because people don't want to go anywhere.
Right, but then there's for me personally, because I live with my grandparents, I take care of my grandparents. I don't want to bring anything inside that's gonna be vulnerable for anyone.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't want to be outside, spreading anything. Plus, last 3 weeks ago when I was still working, people were looking at me like, "Oh, are you safe? Are you this?" Giving me the looks. So I don't like that.
Yeah, that would be kind of
It's
annoying.
my company. Like, I make sure everything's 100%
Mm-hmm.
clean and whatever. But people, they still think, and I get it. I'm not gonna be fucking out there, getting judged and whatnot. I don't know, Paul. This is a good rejection on the 15 on UJ. I haven't traded UJ in a minute, but I see what you're looking at. But we might get at 8 p.m. Good. I don't know if a good retrace back or something.
Yeah, we'll see in 10 seconds. I mean, hourly still looks good. It wicked below everything, too. So we'll see. I wanted to close below, but doesn't look like it could. But I mean, still a good hourly close. And we broke below everything here, so
We're still very
be a wick up and
so,
hopefully continue down to this area.
Alright, so I'm gonna wait again. My risk is 20 pips, so it's not that bad for YouTube. I'm only risking 20% of what I made today in London. Oh look, guys, flip. What I made today in New York, so I'm a bit close.
What'd you guys trade in New York?
DJ buys.
Uh-oh.
Trades, buys.
Yeah, I skipped New York. I didn't like it.
Perfect. Setting down.
You just gotta break below here.
That'll be super safe. But now we might expect a wick up and continue down.
Yeah, there's no top hourly wick yet, so we'll see. Depends on how strong this bearish momentum is.
I'm using FXEM as my broker for trading view, but it kind of looks the same as my live broker.
Yeah, same.
For GJ, I was using Forex.com, but then it changed. And GJ looks like it's about a breakdown. Still spreads are nasty. I don't know. I'm getting 7 pips on the spreads.
Mine is at 0.2.
What on FTMO?
Yeah, on UJ.
Oh no, UJ. Yeah.
Oh yeah, GJ's been garbage. GJ's been like 5 to 8.
Yeah, definitely garbage. EJ, it's at 2, 3, which is real hard to see. Now UJ is at 1.2.
Yeah, mine's under a pip right now. But it was sitting at like 1.5.
Oh look, 0.7, 0.8, nice, and it's dropping. Good fucking call.
Yeah, it just the 4 hour and daily just looks like it wants to.
Well, that's some horse shit, dude. I tried to place a trade and Magic Keys wouldn't let me.
You got a lot of issues going on over there, bro.
Yeah, what in the hell is going on, dude? Bro, it says check experts tab. So I go to expert tabs, and it says Magic Keys USD JPY M13 error, unable to open trade. Like what?
That's weird.
What did you do?
Didn't do anything. Did the same thing I've always done.
Is it zooming in or zooming out or anything?
Yeah, I can zoom in, zoom out. It just I don't know why it didn't let me place the trade. I don't want to place it now because it's already up a couple pips. It's kind of junk.
It didn't even let you open calc or anything?
No, I've got open calc and everything up, and I went to go enter on that 15-minute break, and it said unable to place trade. I tried it 3 times and it wouldn't let me.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, that's odd.
I have a message for Keel again. That's got to be the parallel thing.
Probably. He's using parallels on Mac. Most likely it's a parallel.
Mike, I'll let you go.
Alright, boss, yeah, that's annoying as hell, dude.
Come on, break that bullish low.
There you go, baby. Broken.
It hasn't fully broken just yet on MT4. It's got to get below that wick. It's right there though. It's like, oh, now it broke. There we go.
Already 20.
Watch this like 800 pip candle come.
Gotta love it, dude. That's ridiculous. I'm literally about to send Rakil a message because I would be in this. That's kind of bullshit.
I would send him a message. I don't know why it's not working.
Yeah, it says Magic Keys M15 error. Damn.
M15 because you're in the M15 frame.
That'd be the minute 15.
Says
Try just
error
clicking
30.
and dragging magic keys back onto the screen. Sometimes that's the issue for me.
Switch the time frame maybe.
That shouldn't matter though, you know.
Just try resetting
Ooh,
it.
let's
Turning it
go.
on.
Nice, baby. Keep pushing. I'm already 12 pips, so.
Let's
Oh
go.
I might just get off the charge. This just isn't my night.
I would. It sounds like you're a little emotional, to be honest. You
It's
don't.
emotional because it's not letting me get in a damn trade.
That's what I'm saying though. You don't want to try and take a trade because you're mad, you know.
Yeah. She's definitely just, using
Definitely message Rakil and voice out your opinion for sure,
Yeah, that's fucked.
and tell him to PayPal you the trade you lost.
Perfect. All right, I'm closing, guys. 12 pips. I'm out.
Here you go, Matt. I'm gonna let mine go. I already secured
Yeah.
what I wanted. I'm gonna see if my
guaranteed to
runner
keep
can
on
do it.
rolling.
Yeah, I don't wanna risk it. So.
Yeah.
My runner's at like 28 pips right now.
Yeah, mine is. I don't know where mine's at because I closed half of it twice. So, but I'm at $70 with 0.24 running.
Yeah, I did a one lot, so I'm going for 13 pips.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, Mac?
Hey, Bobby.
Looks like we kind of tapped into this support right here. Yeah.
Okay. What? Yeah. So that's why that retracement got me a little. Go on the 1 minute.
The what?
Go on the 1 minute and use it. Watch.
No.
I'll show you a little something.
I'm good.
Come on, bro. Just to show you something.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear that last part.
No. So you see how it's making high highs?
Mm-hmm.
I mean high, another high low, another high, and another high low.
Mm-hmm.
So the structure on UJ, back then it wouldn't be like that. It would be just like a nice, like a square range. So that's the period that I started trading with. That and gold. So they correlate, right? But
So
now you're starting to see UJ making these high highs and high lows in the 1 minute. So that means that the market's super volatile. Like the volatility is incredible. Normally back then you wouldn't see the, higher highs and higher lows on the 1 minute.
Hmm. Yeah, I still think hourly
Yeah,
should get to the target though.
You guys know what I mean, right? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, I mean it looks.
like you will have to go on the 15, if anything on the 30, to see higher highs and higher lows. Other than that, UJ back then, yeah, basically, yeah, just like that. It broke.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. It looks good though. So if it rips up from here.
No, it looks good. Even on the 1 minute, that's what I told
Oh, you were saying it looks. What the?
Right.
Gotcha.
That's why I looked at the 1 minute. Because normally I would never in my life looked at the 1 minute on UJ until last week.
Yeah, those are some big moves for UJ.
Yeah, I was just doing some back testing for the past 2-3 months, and UJ you can literally risk about 5 to 10 pips, and you'll catch 15, 20 easy
Right.
in Asian, and that spreads so low. So I've like I said, I've just emailed FTMO just yo, get fucking UJ on my
I
contract
don't have
now.
UJ on FTMO.
No, so when you sign a contract, you have to put what pairs you're going to trade.
Oh, that's what I think. Do the first verification or the challenge?
No, once you've completed it all.
Okay, and once you have a founder account, you mean. So how many
Yeah,
pairs can
so-
you choose?
I don't know. They do give you a big box, but I just trade pound pairs. But just all the pound pairs have just got trash spreads.
Oh, for real? That's
so-
let's say GJ right now. What's the spread?
Yeah. So in like London to New York, it's typically it was below 1, but with recent times it's like 1 to 2, and the same on.
That's really
and
good.
No, but that's GJ and GU. But I like to trade GA, and now it's like 12
Well,
pips.
yeah,
I
GA has.
love trading gold. Gold's about fucking 10 to 20 pips.
Yeah, that's
And-
any unregulated broker. So every
Yeah.
regulated broker, if you're getting those spreads, that's
And UJ right now is 0 spreads.
perfect. I mean, I wouldn't be complaining about that.
No. But what
I
I'm saying
know.
is I don't have UJ on my
Oh,
thing.
so you can search it, and you should call
I've
FDMO.
emailed them. I spoke to the support team and they said just email us. So
Oh,
should
okay,
hopefully
yeah.
get UGA and UCAD put on, because in Asian, like UJ is just way easier to trade.
And you also have
Right at
that
the moment.
NFB on Friday, so I'll go with UJ or UCAD.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh
you
man,
can
I'm
trade
avoiding
news, you know,
I'm avoiding that. I don't trade news. You can't trade news, really. Doesn't really allow you
on
to.
FTMO.
You can,
On
but you
FTMO, I
can't.
may. Yeah.
You can't trade 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, so you have to take away your stop loss, your TP,
shoot.
and you can't enter. So if it just goes like fucking wild and you're close to your entry, like you can just lose your account like that.
Alright, in 2 seconds.